You are going to love the 2019 Sentra. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, driver's side remote mirror, braking assist, interval wipers. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, backup camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio internet radio, iHeartRadio, steering wheel audio controls,